This is the stock class right here, round
ready?
1.
Watch the light.
Oh, nice save, nice
Watch
save.
the light.
Oh,
Hey, what I said. Left lane, left lane.
Driver's ready. That was
this is a
dead.
3.
Watch the light.
Hit ready. Yeah. Is it 13.5 car? Were you from Mass?
Yeah.
There ain't no 13.
Staying at 260.
Twos came back? He came back with the twos? No?
Yeah, he's just buying them as things size.
Driver's ready. Watch the light.
Red light in there. You fast, but you're too fast.
Driver's ready. Watch the light. Right lane takes it.
Boy, leaving good.
Max.
Driver's ready.
Watch the light.
Watch the light.
Yo, he's chilling. Yo, he's chilling.
Driver's
You got
ready.
this.
Watch the light. Get your hand on that steering wheel. That was straight confidence right there.
It don't be... See?
Oh, we gonna have to check that car.
Driver's ready. Watch the light.
Oh, you got... You ain't even got to do nothing. You got him. He red light. He red
Go
light.
through your beam. Go through the beam.
Drive it down that end.
Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Slow.
But when he put on the tire...
Driver's ready. Watch the light. Yeah.
What number is this?
5. Driver's ready. Watch the light. Left lane, T93. Right lane, T70. Watch the light.
Yeah, he's
ready.
ready.
Watch the light.
What the f***? Okay. Oh. It's one of the fastest 13.5s in the New England area. Let's see something.
Driver's ready. Yeah. Watch the light.
Oh, he's slipping. Oh, hold on, bro. Where you was gonna let off?
I did, bro. How much is the buyback?
20.
$20.
Trying to juice up the pie a little. Yeah. Watch them.
Driver's ready.
Watch your light.
Watch the light.
They watching it.
Good run.
His balloon tires help him.
Driver's ready. Watch the light.
Oh, you want it ready. You want it ready in the left lane. Red light. You hungry?
Driver's ready.
Yeah.
Watch the light. Damn, son. 264 at 56, 27 at 51.
Well, he ran.
267 at 51.
That little sneaky dog you, huh? He little sneaky dog you. Huh? Yeah, I was looking at it like.
Driver's ready.
Yep.
Watch the light.
66? The first
Number
one.
9, up to the line.
Nice run, bro. The people's champ right here. People's champ, holding it down for mass.
Oh, is ready? Watch the light. You do it like you did it before? For cage buggy. Nitro converted to electric. More chips.
Yeah, after this. Oh, that's
Hey,
dope.
Josh, what's the third wire for on the crawler?
That's dope. Got a cage buggy. They don't even need a body. Everybody. Alright, still in the stock class.
We got the shish kebabs over here. They're about to be getting.
Oh, that's your man? He's here? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Eh? Got the shish kebabs. We got shish kebabs today, ladies and gentlemen. Shish kebabs. It's a stock class, stock class.
He already took it.
So that'll be good to get.
Shout out to Dirty Dan. Shout out to CT. Right, now remember, this is where the fast guys hang out at down here, all right? This is where the fast guys are. All right, this is the fastest guy here.
Hi, Reverend Kevin.
Yeah, we got Russ down here. I can't forget about Russ now. Russ is in the building. I see him. What's good?
Good to be back.
Yeah,
Good to be back.
yeah, you know it. You know, good to see you. Good to see you.
Good to see you too, bud.
Yes, yeah. Let's cross over here. See, we got cars back there too. Got a bunch of people back there. Street outlaw class should definitely be good. Cigar. I ain't want to look at nobody's system, but yeah. You got that stock car, right?
Yeah.
I got it. I'm gonna come grab it for you.
That's all right, bro.
Thanks for coming out, fam. Yeah, but thanks for coming out, bro. Appreciate that. Yeah, for sure. Representing. I see you. All right. Thanks for coming out, little man. Little man did his thing. All right, man. Thanks for coming out, man. I appreciate y'all. Joe, you know what time it is.
What's up, my brother?
Appreciate you coming out.
Always.
Yeah.
Always. When we get on that line, we enemies, though.
I'm gonna keep my eyes closed, but I'm just coming to say hi, fellas.
What's going on, man? What's up, bro?
What's going on, bro? Thanks for coming out, man. Oh, man. Y'all all right? Everything good? All right. Right, we got Miguel over here. Shout out to Miguel. What's your name, brother? I didn't catch your name. Alex. Thanks for coming out, Alex.
No problem, thank you.
Yeah, for sure. Got my man here from Florida, huh? Ivan. What up? Appreciate you coming out, bro. How you like the spot? No tent needed here. Carlos. We got Carlos here.
How are you?
Yeah, my man Carlos. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Thanks for coming out, man. Thanks for coming out. All right, this is the fast guys right here.
Yeah. Don't
Watch out.
We're struggling over here.
Yeah, the fast guy. Ooh.
This guy over here, the black and gold guy.
He got all his babies out here. Oh, black and gold, that's the color. Okay. Okay. That's the money color, huh? Okay.
No, now you know.
What's going on, brother? My man right here. What's going on? You know it. The OG right here. Shout out to everybody that came out. How y'all doing? Charlie over here breaking records with that stock car. I'm gonna just walk right back here, show y'all a couple people back here. We got Benji over here doing nothing. Benji over here doing nothing. Get a little walk around. Okay, you see my man working. My man working, that's what I'm talking about. What's going on, fellas? Where y'all representing today? Man, all right. What you representing?
CT. Hey.
Good brother Roscoe.
I got some action too.
Yeah.
Watch the right.
That boy came back for a vengeance.
Yeah, he did. He turned it up.
Round 2 of stock class. This is the second race.
Guys ready? Watch the light. Guys ready? Watch the light.
Ooh, nice run. Nice run, fellas. Nice run. Yeah, yeah.
Drivers ready? What you like?
Oh, nice run. Oh, special delivery.
Delivery.
Oh, hey, got the Chichka balls going there. Got that for you, Benj.
Thank you.
Eat up.
Drivers ready?
Yep.
What you like?
I see you put that big opinion. Yeah, I seen him pulling through. I seen him pulling through.
306. He's hungry here.
He said it to himself. He said it to himself. That's why I redlighted. He said, "Oh, best of luck to my."
What you like?
I waited on that light that time. Hell no. Nice run, brother. That's it.
Drivers ready?
Right, left lane is up 1. There you go. Why you let off? Nice run. Nice run.
What you like?
Stop car, baby. Couldn't do that with the other one.
Oh, it's colder than this one.
Drivers ready?
What you like?
Benji eating. Oh, nice run. Nice run. Nice run, fella.
You don't have to drive into the rock. What you like?
Will he run?
2-6.
He's taking it.
Ready? What you like? What you like?
You can't cook. That boy shoot that shit up.
Like. Ready? What you like?
So it's 1-1.
Like photo? Drivers ready. What you like?
Ooh! That was a run. Nice run, Ron.
2-6.
Ready? Watch your lights. That 13-5 car ain't no game. Drivers ready? Watch your lights. He got you off the light again. Ooh, right lane. Drivers ready? Watch your lights.
Yeah, stay to the right.
Oh, he got you. Ooh! 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 I got the ooh! A few more times and then the ooh! Watch your lights.
Stutter sometimes, I don't know why.
Watch your lights. Ah, you jumped.
It's clogging now.
Drivers ready? Watch your lights. He got that big boy. Drivers ready? Watch your lights. Oh, I'm about to push the wrong button.
What you like?
Oh, you got that car going good, man.
Driver ready.
Yep.
What you like? What you like?
Got me off that light. Nice run, my man. I got you nervous? What happened there?
Trying to get you on the light again.
Damn, boy. Made it in the finals, boy. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Stop car running.
Watch the light.
Look at him. He got my ass. Mother. Ooh, sorry.
Jumping up like he's gonna push it back.
I tried. How much you got?
265.
Let me tighten up my super clutch. Let me get some tighten up my super. You hear my shit spinning out the hole, that's the problem.
Driver ready. Watch the light.
I don't give a damn. I had to. I was not catching them. Nice run, man.
Oh,
Come get paid.
You red lighted? I didn't want to look because I.
Huh?
You went out there. You wouldn't want it.
For real?
He spun below.
I didn't even see that. I was just trying to get him off the light.
Like 30, 40 feet out. Yeah, well, as soon as I saw the corner of the red light, I'm like, all right, I don't need to like mash it out.
You caught it?
Yeah.